Hi everyone, this is Dustin Burrell with CIS 225 End User Support. We're doing an activity which is 12-1 using Event Viewer. I'm trying to get this restarted and everything. Exit out of here. I'm having a very sluggish virtualization malware workstation tonight. It's moving very slow. And as soon as I get it going here, we'll get the project going. Alright, first step to Event Viewer, let's go to the Start section. Pull this up. Waiting for all snap-ins to complete. Jeez. It's been doing this to me all night. Alright, there we go. Go here and then right click on computer. As you right click the computer, you're going to have some options show up, and the one you want to click on is manage. And you go to manage. And if this starts taking a while, alright, it's going a little faster than last time. I'm hoping it's just a refreshing problem. But you know, this took a long time last time, guys, so as soon as you click on manage, if you're having problems with this, I would suggest pausing your video. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause the video. Alright, welcome back. My event viewer took quite some time to get open here. I do have to admit that's a very frustrating thing to sit there and just watch me wait for things to get open. So I'm glad that finally came around. Let's see here, what's going on here. Where did my event viewer go? Okay, just make sure I didn't have another one pulled up. We have made it to event viewer. Okay, now that we're in event viewer, it wants us, let's get back into full screen mode though. There we go. Inside event viewer, when we get there, it shows us. It wants us to expand event viewer, but then it also wants us to click on the event viewer. This is another thing that might take a while to load the information. If it does, I apologize. I'm just going to pause it so we're not watching a 20-minute video of everything loading when I click on it. But this is actually going a lot faster, so you can see the summary of events on this system over various time frames and sorted by the event type. This makes it easy for you to address critical events and error events. And what we're going to wait for after this information pops up, we're going to wait for the errors to pop up right here. And as soon as they get here, we're going to expand the errors so we can actually see what they look like closely. And just pretty much dissect it. I don't know how long this is going to take, just to save you from boredom of just not watching my little circle here. I am going to go back to this and pause it real quick, okay? Be right back with you. Alright, the error finally showed up in the dialog box that I needed it to continue this, pretty much just continue this project. Right here we're going to expand error, and when we expand error, it's going to show how many errors are on my system right now, what type of error it is. Like you see right here, we got the kernel event, Microsoft Windows Update System, event log, that was an error, and that will show you what kind of errors are happening. In the left pane, go to Windows Log and expand it. When you expand window log, click on it. Windows logs is going to show you the approximate equivalent to the logs in Windows 7. However, to set up and forward events, logs are new. If it gets there on time. There we go, that's not bad. Didn't take too long on that. Now in the left lane, click on left pane, click on System. This displays all the messages in the system log. And when these show up in the middle pane, we'll select an event. I'll definitely try to find an error for you. That way it makes sense, because we can click on any of these information ones, but see if we can actually find an error. And if we can't find an error, that'll make me happy, because I don't want them on my computer. But there's one right down there. Oh boy. There we go. Here's a critical one by the kernel power. Double click on that so we can get some details about it. Alright, and click the details tab. This system has rebooted without cleanly shutting down first. This error could be caused if the system stopped responding, crashed, or lost power unexpectedly. Okay. Click the details on this critical error. This tab offers a friendly view of XML view also. However, the setup and forward event logs are new. After you do the details tab and you're looking at it in friendly view, click on XML view just so you can see the differences of the views. That's our friendly view. And here's our XML view, which makes it look like it's in code. Right there, a lot of code. Okay. In the left pane, let's see here. Read the event information, we already did that. In the left pane, over here, I think they want us to close that. Click on Application and Service Logs. Let's actually expand it first. When you expand it, expand Microsoft down here also, and then expand Windows. These logs are specific to particular applications and services. They were not available on Windows XP. So this is going to show everything that we had that were not available on XP. In the left pane, that's all these right here. By the way, there's a lot going on actually too. Click Custom Views. Custom Views filters the event logs on the local computer to make specified events viewable in a single location. You can see that the administrative events custom view is here by default. Double click the administrative events here. This view pulls all critical error and warning events into a single location, as you can see right there. Right click administrative events over here and then go to properties. Click edit filter when it pops up. You cannot modify this filter because the view is created by the system. However, you can see that you can specify which event levels and which logs to include. You can also filter based on event ID, task category, keywords, user, or computer. Click cancel, and just to go over all that, that's what computer, keywords, tasks, these are all the ways you can search. Click cancel on here, click cancel on here, and pretty much close your computer management, and that's all we're doing. We just wanted to know how to maneuver through Event Viewer and view things that are important that are going on your computer. Thank you for watching my video today, guys. Any comments, let me know on YouTube. Dustin Burrell. Have a good night.